Jonas, where are we going?
Cairo.
But where are we going first, Annabelle?
Paris?
Yeah, Paris. Paris.
Hello, Internet.
Hello, Internet.
Hey there, Internet. Today we're at the airport and we're going to Paris. We gotta go to our gates in South Terminal. Are you ready?
Mostly.
Collation gratuite, toutefois veuillez noter.
I didn't sleep at all this night.
Not there yet. No, not yet. Julius, aren't you glad we didn't forget you at home? Let's stop where we're getting off at. Yep, that's right. Jonas is definitely passed out. What'd you guys find? Oh, let's go get a picture in front of it and then head. We gotta get to the airport so we can go to Cairo.
Let's go to Cairo.
What do you think, Jonas? Did we
Cairo.
find the Eiffel Tower? Yeah.
Are you excited?
You want to go on what?
That.
The carrots. That looks like a lot of fun, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll save that for the next time we come here because we got to get back on the plane so we can go to Cairo. Okay, so let's do our selfie in front of Eiffel Tower, okay? I have no idea how you sleep like this, but it's a thing. Are you having fun? The kids are outrageous. Annabelle, where'd we make it to?